Hi guys, it's me Kate. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share to you how to crochet this flower earring. First, we are going to make a magic ring. After your magic ring, please chain 1 and double crochet. To double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull up a loop and you will have 3 loops in your hook. Now yarn over and pull through into 2 loops only in your hook. And yarn over and pull through into 2 loops left in your hook. After you double crochet, chain 2 and a slip stitch into the ring. After you slip stitch, chain 2 and double crochet. And after double crochet, chain 2 again and slip stitch. Please repeat the process until you have 5 petals. After your 5 petals, guys, please chain 1. And here, pull your yarn to close the ring. Then cut your yarn. And of course guys, you need to hide the end of your yarn. So our flower is done, and here I will show you how I put the earring hook. So you can see guys, it is so cute and easy to make. So guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to get notified to my next tutorial. And here guys, our crochet flower earrings is done. Thank you so much for your support, and that's all for this tutorial. Good day, God bless us all. See you in my next tutorial.